Because you see, when my brothers complain, it's because they don't know how you have supported the Ijaw ethnic group. In the private, we tell them, Your Excellency, single-handedly, you brought out an Ijaw man to be governor of Rivers State. It is not possible. Leave it for us, we cannot do it. That's the truth. Leave it for us, we cannot do it. We don't have the numbers. But you look at the polity of Rivers State and you said, for once, I want an Ijaw man to be governor of Rivers State, and you single-handedly did it. So we want to thank you. So forget about what they are ranting, what their rantings are and what they are saying. We that are playing politics, we know what you have done. Your Excellency, I followed you all through this process of nomination for the governing board of the national NDDC. I knew what was going on from day one. And so I appreciate everything. Like you said, you could have just nominated anybody from any tribe. It doesn't matter. But you chose an Ijaw man. Ijaw man as governor. You chose another Ijaw man from Rivers State as EDFA NDDC. We want to thank you. So don't bother about what they say. We that know how everything happened, we appreciate you. And we will always continuously tell them that you love the Ijaw tribe. Yes. You have just nominated another Ijaw man, Rufus Godwin, Federal Civil Service Commission. Yes, you love us. We know. Don't hesitate to continue to love us. Yes, continue. We support you. We will continue to love you too. So support us. Having said that, in that board, we will do our best. We are not there for any tribe. We will continue to protect first the river's interests, and most importantly, ensure that the unity of the Yes of Wike political family is established. That unity is very important to us. Without that political family, we will not be nominated. And when my friend and brother, the party chairman, Desmond Akawo, said, I have graduated from the Wike School of Politics. My brother, there's no graduation. There's no graduation. Because every day we continue to learn from Yes of Wike. His style of politics, his style of governance, his style of public relations. We keep learning every day, every day. You think you have known everything about Yes of Wike, the next day he brings something else. So we will continue to learn. There's no graduation as far as Yes of Wike is concerned. We will continue to learn from the school of politics that he has put on ground in Rivers State.